Hi, good evening. This is Chef Narender again. So today I am going to show you how we make a pizza in a hotel in a bulk. So almost things we prepare before like tomato and the pizza dough. So today I will show you a technique how we do the dough start and which temperature we are use. So okay, let's start. So this is the dough we keep always ready because we need to make it dough pizza, so we have to keep the dough before fermented pizza. So this is a technique today I am going to show you. The chef we have here, Mr. Tarun.
Hi.
So see, this is a chef technique how we make the pizza dough, and you can see the corners. That corner become crunchy and tasty. You can use the flour if you have. We recommend you use the semolina suji. This is our tomato sauce. This is normal tomato we blanch and put only oregano, olive oil and salt. This is very basic sauce we use it. Then we put it and spread it properly. If you want to have a more sauce like so, you can use more. After this, we put natural cheese. You can use mozzarella. It depends on the pizza, what kind of pizza you want to make it. We use two types of cheese. First we use natural, now we are using mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is the main cheese for pizza. Then we have here already cuts. You can see the capsicums and then roasted zucchini. You can use any kind of vegetables is available at your home, but this is a standard. This is corn, American corn. And then we have a sauté sliced mushrooms also. You can spread on that according to your taste. Don't use a much quantity. If you use a much quantity of vegetable, it can be stuck in the oven. Main technique to take out the pizza from the table to the oven. See, the pizza is already on the. This is the main technique we're using. See how chef. So now our pizza oven temperature is 351. You can see it takes 8 to 12 minutes to cook properly. It depends sometimes if we have a lot of pizzas, so it takes time more because the oven can take out only 2 to 3 pizza at a time. So now we have to wait and see. We use another equipment like this kind of rod. It's a smaller one. It's turning the pizza from inside. See how we turn the pizza. Now our pizza is almost done. You can see this is Napoletana pizza. So you can make rough, crunchy, crispy. You can see it's edges. You can listen the voice of crunchiness. Now we put the olive oil on the top and brushing the corners to make shiny and juicy. Here I go. Take a pizza like this. This is the way to take out the pizza like this, and we will go. It's yummy. Thank you. See you again.